Hi there guys, and Happy New Year, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys have been doing well, and how was your Christmas? And I hope you had an amazing one. God forbid there was no lockdown, but I'm back again, and I'm so pleased to be able to do another vlog for you. And being the new year, I just wanted to talk about a really exciting men's lifestyle brand, which is a watch brand actually, and TRENDHIM, who I've worked with in the past, have kindly sent me a brand new watch from their new men's collection by Fawler. It's a men's skeleton watch, and let's just do the unboxing together. So this is the actual package they sent me, and I love what it says on the front. It says, "Good things come in small packages," which they do, especially when it's gifted from the brand. And I'm just going to open it for you just now. I don't know what it looks like, so let's just do the unboxing of the watch today. Just a little paper. So the actual watch by TRENDHIM, who have just sent me this really amazing watch by Fawler, which is one of the brands that they carry on the website. So Fawler is the name of the watch brand by TRENDHIM on the website, and comes in this really nice blue box. So really nicely gifted, kind of like gift box. I love the colour, it's really nice sort of shade of light blue. Let's just remove it, and let me just open it for you. So the watch is actually designed in Denmark, and so as you open the box, here is what the actual contents of the watch looks like. It's a really nice kind of black leather strap with there's some information inserted here about the watch. So I'll just give you a little preview, and so it's a nice little lookbook of the actual brand's watch, Fawler. There's actually some really nice imagery here, like a little mini lookbook. So what I love about this brand, I just love the by looking at the actual lookbook, it just gives you some info about just the general feel of the brand. So you can see it's very contemporary, and I love the styling inside the lookbook as well. And there's some information here about the actual watch, how to set the time, winding the mainspring, and the overall functions of how the watch actually works, just in here. So okay, so here is the actual watch, and so Fawler is the watch brand carried by TRENDHIM, who retail the watch on their website. So Fawler is a men's skeleton watch, and it's really actually one of my kind of favourite things to actually talk about at the moment, and which is men's dress watches. Men's dress watches, are really one of those things that you kind of need to complete, like, your outfit. This watch is designed and made in Denmark. It's one of the main points, but also, just to emphasize the precise Japanese automatic movement, which comes with the watch. So it's kind of precise automatic Japanese Seiko movement, which you'll find in most men's watches, which are very of kind of good quality that you would expect. But yeah, I love the actual overall look of the watch. So mine has a dark navy sort of face of the main watch, and then the black leather strap. Again, let me just see if I can just remove this from the actual packaging, just to give you a closer look. So this is the men's watch, what it looks like, and as you can see, just give you a 360 overall look of the watch. I'm fairly pleased with it. It arrived in really great condition, and when it arrived in its gift box. So I'm really happy with the general appearance of the watch, and it's actually waterproof, which it says on the back here, stainless steel and sapphire glass for reinforcement of the watch, and then the automatic precise Japanese movement as well, when the actual time is set to function as normal, which is great. Let me just try it on my wrist and see how that feels. So yeah, here you go. Here's how it looks on my wrist. I really like it, actually. It's very contemporary and modern. It's really great, actually. It's everything you would expect from a men's dress watch. So it will take you from the office to the bar, kind of a day to night thing. I just love the actual general feel of the watch. I'm really happy, and I can't wait to wear it out on my next social occasion. So just want to give you a closer look at the watch, if you can see. Yeah, it's great. So let me know your thoughts of the range by TRENDHIM for the Fawler men's watches. I'd love to hear your feedback and let me know what you think. But I'm so pleased that TRENDHIM have sent me this watch, because I love it by the looks of it. I'm a really big fan of men's watches, and I can't wait to wear it out and share this on my social media channels. But if you want to find out more, check out my YouTube channel at thejoeyjournal.com, and social media on Instagram, the Joey Journal as well. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon for my next unboxing, so stay tuned and hit subscribe in the corner. I'll see you again soon, guys. Bye!